what guys? Some people thinking about the future. Some people thinking about their dreams. You know what the problem of that? You're always thinking. You never do it. So the problem is, baka mahuli ka na. Or baka mahuli na tayo. Huwag nating hayaang mauna yung panahon sa atin bago natin umpisahan yung plano natin sa buhay. Unang-una sa lahat, alam natin kung paano natin umpisahan yung plano natin sa buhay. Because you are thinking already. You already know what you're doing. You already know what's your plan. But the problem is, you never start kung hindi mo inuumpisahan. Huwag nating hayaang dumating yung oras o panahon na sayang at masasabi natin sa sarili natin na sayang, hindi ko inumpisahan.